El puente de la mujer, Spanish for woman's bridge, is a rotating footbridge located on the Dock 3 of the Puerto Madero commercial district of Buenos Aires, Argentina. This bridge can be classified as a cantilever spar cable stay bridge, and it is also a swing bridge, but somewhat unusual on its asymmetrical arrangement. It has a single mast with cable suspending a portion of the bridge which rotates 90 degrees in order to allow water traffic to pass. When it swings to allow watercraft passage, the far end comes to a resting point on a stabilizing pylon. Designed by the Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava on a plan very similar to a 250-meter bridge over the Guadalquivir River in Seville, Spain, it has a forward rather than a reverse angled cantilever, as is seen in that bridge. Started in 1998, it was inaugurated on December 20, 2001, and is the only one of Calatrava's works in Latin America. The architect has described the design as a synthesis of the image of a couple dancing tango. So the man of the pair represents the vertically inclined arm, while the woman is represented in the horizontal board, supported by the man through a series of wires that represents the arms of the man. With all that, one can almost see the couple ending their dance, the classic moment when the woman is dropped and the man leans over her to bear all of his weight to push again moments later toward the deck. The 170 meters pedestrian bridge, weight 8 tons, is 6.20 meters wide and is divided into two fixed portions, 25 meters and 32.5 meter long respectively, and a middle section of 102.5 meters that rotates on a white concrete pylon in less than 2 minutes. This central section is supported by a steel needle with a concrete core about 34 meters high. The needle, inclined at a 39 degrees angle, anchors suspension cables which support the central span. A computer system at the eastern end of the bridge operates the turning mechanism when required. All concrete elements that remain in contact with water materialize especially resistant to sulfates and sea salt, in order to give the structural parts of the strength and durability they need. The footbridge was made of metal and of concrete in its rear ends. The handrails are made of steel, and the beam drawer panel is made up of steel sheets of different thickness. Cables and braces are of high-strength galvanized steel, complete fixture. A number of streets in Puerto Madero district have women's names, and that's another reason why the bridge is called the Woman's Bridge. The work was conceived by businessman Alberto González who donated money for its construction. Costing about $6 million, the bridge was manufactured by the Ursa Steel Fabrication Conglomerate in the city of Victoria, Gasteiz, in the Basque Country of northern Spain. This bridge not only fills the purpose of being a pedestrian communication element that saves the separation between the dock street in Puerto Madero from Avenida Alicia Moriao de Justo, the commercial area to the east, because porteños, as Buenos Aires residents are called, have long seen in value architectural monumentality and symbolism, as seen in their beloved obelisk, Casa Rosada, and even La Bombonera. Added to that list was Puente de la Mujer, which was seen as a symbol of a new era in Argentine history.